Morning, my dear students. Now, I will discuss degree of superheat. It is defined as the difference between temperature of superheated steam and temperature of saturation temperature corresponding to the given pressure. Mathematically, degree of superheat is equal to T SUP minus T SAT, where T SUP means temperature of superheated steam, T SAT means temperature of saturation steam. Then I will define dryness fraction of steam. This dryness fraction of steam is generally applicable to wet, dry, saturated steam. This dryness fraction is defined as the ratio between mass of a dry saturated steam to the same quantity of wet saturated steam. Then mathematically, dryness fraction of steam is given by the formula X is equal to mass of dry saturated steam divided by mass of wet saturated steam. It can be written as X is equal to mass of dry saturated steam divided by mass of dry steam plus mass of water vapor in suspension. Generally, MS is equal to mass of dry steam in kg and MW mass of water vapor in suspension in kg. Therefore, X is equal to MS by MS plus MW. This formula is applicable to wet saturated steam. Then I will discuss what is the dryness fraction of a steam for dry saturated steam. We know from dryness fraction of steam X is equal to MS by MS plus MW. But in case of dry steam, MW is equal to 0 because there is no water particles in suspension. Therefore, MW is equal to 0. Then X becomes MS by MS plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of dryness fraction of a steam for dry saturated steam is equal to unity, that means 1. Then I will discuss what is quality of steam. When dryness fraction is expressed in percentage, that is known as quality of steam. It may be expressed as 100x or 100 is within bracket ms by ms plus mw. Therefore, quality of steam is equal to 100 into within bracket ms by ms plus mw. Next, I will discuss what is wetness fraction of steam and total heat for superheated steam and total heat for wet steam and total heat for saturated steam. Now, I will discuss what is wetness fraction of steam. Wetness fraction of steam is the ratio of the mass of water vapor or moisture in suspension in a wet steam sample to its total mass. Mathematically, wetness fraction is equal to mw by ms plus mw, where mw is equal to mass of water vapor or moisture in suspension. ms plus mw means total mass, that is the sum of mass of dry steam plus mass of water vapor in suspension is equal to mw by ms plus mw. Then we can write as mw by ms plus mw plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus within bracket 1 minus mw by ms plus mw is equal to 1 minus ms by ms plus mw. How? That means 1 minus within bracket 1 ms plus mw minus mw divided by ms plus mw. That means mw cancel is equal to 1 minus ms by ms plus mw. We know that what is dryness fraction of steam? Now it is the ratio between mass of a dry steam divided by summation of mass of a dry steam plus mass of water vapor in suspension. Therefore, this term is x. Therefore, wet steam is equal to 1 minus x. 1 minus x. Then I will discuss what is priming. Quality, you know that what is quality? Now when dryness fraction is expressed in percentage, that is known as quality of steam. Similarly, what is priming? When wet fraction of steam is expressed in percentage, that is known as priming. That is 100 within bracket 1 minus x or 100 within bracket ms by ms plus mw, because x is equal to ms by ms plus mw. Then what is, how quality plus priming is equal to 100%, because quality is equal to 100x. What is priming? Priming means 100 within bracket 1 minus x, that is 100x plus 100 minus 100x, that means 100x cancel is equal to 100x. Therefore, priming plus quality is equal to 100%. Now, I will discuss what is total heat for wet steam. Now, I will discuss what is total heat or enthalpy of wet steam. Total heat of wet steam may be defined as the quantity of heat required to convert 1 kg of water at 0 degree centigrade at constant pressure into wet steam. Mathematically, it is given as, it is written as H is equal to HF plus X into HFG, where HF means sensible heat of water. What is HFG? Latent heat of vaporization of steam. What is X? It is the dryness fraction of steam. Now, I will discuss what is total heat for dry saturated steam. We know that when the steam is dry saturated, the dryness fraction is equal to 1. Therefore, Hg is equal to Hf plus X into Hfg. Hg means total heat for dry saturated steam. Hf plus X into Hfg. But X is equal to 1. Therefore, Hg is equal to Hf plus Hfg. This is the total heat for dry saturated steam. HF means sensible heat of water and Hfg is equal to latent heat of vaporization of steam. Now, I will discuss what is total heat for superheated steam. When additional heat is added to the dry steam, we find superheated steam. Mathematically, it is given as, it is written as SUP is equal to HF plus HFG plus Cp T superheated minus T saturated, or SUP is equal to HF plus HFG is equal to Hg, symbolically it is written as Hg plus Cp within bracket T superheated minus T saturated, or H superheated minus Hg is equal to Cp within bracket T SUP minus T SAT. Or Cp is equal to H SUP minus Hg divided by T superheated minus T saturated. Cp means specific heat at constant pressure. HSUP means total heat for superheated steam. Hg means total heat for dry steam. TSUP means temperature of superheated steam. TSAT means temperature of saturation temperature. You know that T superheated minus T saturated is also known as degree of superheat. Then the value of Cp is generally taken as 1.67 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin to 2.5 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin. Then I will discuss some problem about the total heat for superheated steam, total heat for wet steam, and total heat for dry saturated steam. Thank you.